Alright guys, I just plugged this in. This is the FlyTec T18. I'm going to try it with the phone app connected and see how the Wi-Fi does and see if this thing flies kind of funny. Bryan said he was having a little bit of problems with it. So the first flight it flew really good without the phone app connected. I flew it manually and just ran the SD card and it flew fine. So I got it plugged in. I'm going to search for the Wi-Fi. Let me turn my Wi-Fi on. I'm using my little iPhone 5S. Let me find it. There it is, FlyTec, and it's going to connect. Let me get out of that. Let me find the app here. I think it's FlyTec, this one. I downloaded both of them. It's this one that just says FlyTec, I believe, not the FlyTec drone. Okay, let me press play. Alright, let me get the sticks off of here. By shutting that off. Okay, I'm going to start the recording. Alright, I'm going to start the recording on the SD card as well. Oh, let me turn the controller on. Combine it. I'm going to go ahead and reset the gyros. Alright. Okay, it should be recording on the SD card as well. I'm going to put in third rate because it is getting ready to rain and it's getting real windy out here, so... Oh, prop guard's hitting here. Bend that prop guard down a little bit here. It's got bent in the box there. Okay, let me bend that down. I should have just took them off. I really don't need them. Okay, here we go, guys. See what it does. Like I said, it's real windy out here, so it still has a pretty good pitch, and it's still pretty sporty. Alright, so far so good. It's fighting that wind really well. Let me slow it down a little bit here. Seems like the Wi-Fi is doing pretty good. Yeah, not too bad. Wi-Fi is doing pretty good. Minimum breakup, so here we are. Yeah, not too bad. So far so good. I don't think I'm going to do a flight time. If I do, I'll definitely leave it in the link there or up on the screen. I'm just testing this out. I don't think Bryan put his video out yet. He wanted me to test this, so he sent it out to me. See if I'm having any problems, but so far so good. It's got decent range. I'm not going to go for a range test, but just want to fly it around just to see how it does. See if I get anything. So far I'm not seeing any problems at all. Doing really well fighting that wind. Yeah, so far so good. Yeah, I don't really know what it was doing with Bryan. Said it was acting up a little bit on him, so far so good for me. And that wind is coming in bad. So yeah, so far so good. There we go. Get a picture of me in there. Oh, here comes that breeze. It's blowing that way, and it's definitely gonna fight it because it is definitely a little sporty guy. Yeah, I flew it the other day. There was no wind like this, and it did just fine without the app. So you can fly it without the app, and you can just record on the SD card. So you don't need the Wi-Fi FPV if you don't want it. So you can fly it without the application and phone. So yeah, it's doing really well. Definitely reminds me of the 825, the 5.8 gigahertz one that came out a little later after this one. And that one worked really well. Had a super clear picture when you're using your goggles. It just like this one, it's the same way. It's dark when it records onto the SD card for some reason. So in production I have to lighten up the image, but I will leave it all stock on here so you can see what the image looks like. And then I'll put a small clip of the Wi-Fi film so you can see what the Wi-Fi video looks like. My editor don't let me put screen on screen, so I can't go and put images together because I'm going through a phone app, and I'm using a different like Action Director. Power Director lets you do it, but I don't want to buy that app, and I don't want the big watermark in there. And then there's the neighbor's dog barking like crazy. Got some kids coming, so I'm probably going to cut this short, you guys. So far so good. I don't see anything wrong with it. I mean, I'm not having any problems at all, you guys. So I'm going to land this before these kids come. Stop the recording. That was already 5 minutes of running, so alright guys, he had to cut it short. There's some kids coming, so and the dog's starting to bark over there, the neighbor's dog. So I didn't see any problems, so I'm not too sure what was happening with Bryan's until his video comes out, but it's flying pretty good with or without the phone app going. So did really well, and didn't see any problems. Like I said, that's just my power bank hooked up because my phone's getting ready to die, but other than that, it's a good flyer. I really like it, so I appreciate it, Bryan, for sending it out to me. Guys, check out True Drone Reviews. Leave a link in the descriptions, and I'll leave a link where you can purchase this. I'll leave a few of them for you. So alright guys, like always, God bless, cheers, and happy flying.